Hello friends, this video Polynomials Part 4 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched video Part 1 to Part 3. Let's discuss numbers of zeros of a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial of form ax plus b will always have only one zero. Please note, exactly one zero. It should be a form ax plus b where a is not equal to 0. Because if a is equal to 0, this will become a constant number. It won't be a polynomial. For linear polynomial, the function has to be of form ax plus b where a should not be equal to 0. B can be 0, doesn't make difference, but a should not be equal to 0. And the number of zeros is exactly 1. We'll take some example. So let's take this polynomial 2x plus 4. It's nothing but a linear polynomial. Px is nothing but 2x plus 4. Correct? Now for this polynomial, we have to plot the graph first. Because we have learned that if you plot the graph and the graph touches x-axis, for those points we have to find the x-coordinate, and that is nothing but the other polynomial. So 2x plus 4, let me plot this. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Correct? So now I can say y is equal to, or px is equal to 2x plus 4. So let me find several values. For example, p0. p0 will be nothing but 2 into 0 plus 4, that is 4. P of minus 1, that is nothing but 2 into minus 1 plus 4, that is 2. P of minus 2, that will be nothing but 2 into minus 2 plus 4, that is 0. We can also find P of 1, that is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 4, that is 6. Just putting x equal to 1 here. Now with these points I can plot the graph. So first point is 0 and p at 0, that is 0, 4. Second point is minus 1 and p of minus 1, that is minus 1, 2. Third is minus 2 and p of minus 2 is 0. And the fourth is 1 and p of 1 is 6. Let's plot this value. 0 and 4, x is 0, y is 4, it will be somewhere here. X is minus 1, y is 2, it will be somewhere here. X is minus 2, y is 0, somewhere here. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6, somewhere here, which is not visible. So you see, this is a straight line. Generally, the function, the linear polynomial have straight line. This is also a straight line. So we'll just add these points. This is the graph we'll get. Correct? So if you see this graph meets the x-axis at this point. This is the point where it meets the x-axis. Now what we have to do? We have to find the x-coordinate. For this, the x-coordinate is nothing but minus 2. Correct? So we can say that 0 of px, this px is nothing but minus 2. And the number of zeros of px is equal to 1, because they are only 1. There is only one value, and we have seen that this polynomial, if you see this line will go straight, and this line will also go straight, so it will never get opportunity to meet the x-axis again. Correct? Since it is going straight, it will never get opportunity to meet x-axis again. So therefore, for linear polynomial, it has exactly 1 0 always. Let's take one more example. Let's take this time the graph to be, let's take px is equal to, let's suppose 3x minus 9. This is the value of px. Now here also we have to first find the values. So let's suppose p of 0 is nothing but 0 minus 9, that is minus 9. Correct? P of 1 is nothing but 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 9, that is minus 6. Correct? P of 2 is nothing but 3 into 2 minus 9, that is minus 3. P of 3 is nothing but 3 into 3 minus 9, that is 0. P of 4 is nothing but 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 9, that is 3. Let's plot these values. This is nothing but x is 4 because it's P of 4 and y is 3. The value came out to be 3. This is nothing but 3, 0. This value is nothing but x is 2 and the value came out to be minus 3. And this is nothing but 1, minus 6. This we can ignore also because 4 points are more than enough. Let's plot points here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, correct? And let's plot the point here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. First point is 1, minus 6, 1, minus 6, somewhere here. Then point is 2, minus 3, x is 2, y is minus 3 is this point. Then 3, 0 is this point. 4, 3 is, this is 4 and this is 3. This point. Correct? So if you join these points, what you'll get is, you'll get a line like this. Sorry, this would be straight line. I somehow made it curve. So straight line like this. So if you see this line, this line meets the x-axis at this point, and this point is nothing but x is 3 and y is 0. And we have to find the x coordinates. So this is x coordinate 3. So we can say that 0 of px is nothing but here 3, and the number of 0 is here also 1. Why? Because if you see this graph is a straight line. Since this line is going straight and this line is going down, this will never get opportunity to meet the x-axis again. So there can be only 1 0. There can be only 1 0 of this polynomial function. So what we observe from these two examples that for a linear polynomial there has to be one function. There has to be 1 0 exactly. It can't have 0 0. It can't have 2 0. It will always have exactly 1 0 for any linear function. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.